Fixed all the hole. So that's where the original fireplace went through, the chimney went through that we took out. Filled that in with original boards from the house. So getting some reuse out of that. Getting ready to lift this, drop down the steel stairs. So in here, there's that wall I've been talking about. Went ahead and built that. So this spot is where the Crestron lighting enclosure will go, and that's where the sub panel will go. It really sits down about here. I gave some space. Didn't really know how much space I'd end up with here, but that's fun. We need 3 feet of clearance from everything. We've got it around it, so we're good. So that way, when we're done pulling our wires and everything's done and it's in and we've ran all the wiring into it and everything's neat and finished, we will put plywood on this, and that will protect all those wires. And they're going to be screwed on there, so that way if we need to get back to it, we can. Everything's filling up fast though. There you go. Hey, but look, you guys have temporary steps. Woo! Grass to mow. Probably actually gonna mow it this weekend. Well, no, I won't, because I can take Josh back to college. Or help him go back to college. So actually, we won't do anything this weekend. Huh. Oh well.
Huh?
Why he bend it? It's not straight. It's not straight.